This video is about how to set the release of marks and feedback for a multiple choice question quiz in Moodle. We're going to use the review settings to set them up, configure them, and we're going to use the preview function to see what's actually happening. So here we go. I've got a multiple choice test that I've already set up in my module called My First MCQ Test. I'm going to go into that test now, and you can see that I've already attempted it. I'm going to go into the settings, edit the settings for this quiz. And then if I scroll down, there's a setting called Review Options. This is what Moodle uses to call the release of marks and feedback. And you can see at the moment that it says after the quiz is closed, reveal all these things, including the marks and whether they're correct and any feedback. I'm going to deselect all those options. When I do that, you'll notice that some remain greyed out. Don't worry about that. Everything is now deselected. So what I'm hoping is that this will not reveal the marks or the right answers to the students, even when they've finished the test. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and click Save and Return to Course. So it's going to save those settings. And now I'm going to go back to that test and preview my attempt. So I'm going to go into my first MCQ. And over on the right, there's a link that says Preview, Start Attempt. So I'm starting a new attempt. There's just 3 questions in this. I'm going to choose A for each answer. Next page. A for question 2. You'll notice these questions, it's telling me all marked out of 2. But I don't know whether I've got them right or not. And on to question 3. Select A again. And finish attempt. And it asks me to confirm by saying submit all and finish. Reconfirm that, and now you can see my answers. You can see I selected A for question 1. Over here on the left it just says marked out of 2. It doesn't say how many marks I got out of 2, and it doesn't tell me whether this attempt is right or wrong. Same for all 3 questions. So now I'm going to change the settings and see what effect it has. So I'm going to go back to edit the settings. And again, scroll down to Review Options. Whoops. And this time I'm going to select all of the things after the quiz is closed. Most importantly, whether the attempt was correct and how many marks I got for this for each individual question. Scroll down to the bottom, Save and Return to Course. And now we're going to preview and see if there's any difference in the information we get back. So scroll down to My First MCQ Test. Preview. Now I've already attempted this quiz, so I need to create a new attempt. I'm going to do the same answers though. A, at the moment it just says it's marked out of 2. Next page. I'm going to select A again. Next page, select A again, finish attempt, confirm, reconfirm. Now let's see if there's any difference. Yes, there is. You can see in question 1 that it's marked A with a red X, indicating that it's wrong. It's given me some feedback at the bottom. Your answer is incorrect. The correct answer is, it's told me what the correct answer is. You'll also notice that over here on the left it says I got 0 out of 2. So it's telling me what mark I got. So we can use those review settings to determine whether or not the marks and feedback get returned to students once they've completed the test.